Okay, this is my situation Saturday night. I had a basement right here. The area is a basement. Here's the shower area, and here's the toilet. So the shower got overflow, the water not got through. So we think if the shower is the problem. We try with different things in the shower, nothing go through, the water still there. So we flush the toilet, and the water go up and go slowly down, very slow. So that means something clogged between, right? So I come in this area, and this pipe is fully water, right?